Good day, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to create an OKX wallet. So let us get in. The first thing you want to do is on your OKX app on your mobile device, you want to go and tap on wallet at the top of the page. Now, this cannot be done on your desktop, so you will have to do it on your mobile device. Here you want to tap on create wallet, and we are going to use the seed phrase wallet method. So we're going to tap on this and it'll ask you for a password. So you're going to go ahead and create a 6-character password. Your wallet will now be loading, and here it says secure your wallet by backing it up, and we are going to back it up to Google Drive. You have now successfully created a wallet, and as you can see over here, it says wallet A, and you can go in there and you can now edit everything you need about this wallet. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.